In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a PDF to DocHub using simple drag and drop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your document into DocHub quickly and without any confusion. First, open your preferred web browser and go to DocHub.com. Type the address directly into the address bar to make sure you land on the correct site. When the page loads, you'll see the DocHub homepage ready for you to get started. A stable internet connection helps here, especially if your file is on the larger side. Next, log into your DocHub account. Use the login option you normally use and sign in with your usual credentials. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken straight to the dashboard. Either way, your goal is to reach the DocHub dashboard where you can add files. Take a quick moment to confirm you're signed in by looking for your profile icon or account menu. This ensures your upload will be saved to the right place. Now get your PDF ready. Find the file on your computer using your file manager, like Finder on Mac or File Explorer on Windows. If it helps, position the DocHub window and your file manager side by side so you can see both at once. Double check that the document is in PDF format, as that's what we're uploading today. If the file name ends with .pdf, you're good to go. Click and hold the PDF file, then drag it from your computer toward the DocHub window. As you hover over the DocHub dashboard, you should see the page indicate that it's ready to receive your file. Drop the file anywhere on the dashboard. You don't have to target a specific button. The dashboard will accept the file wherever you let go. Once you drop the file, the upload begins automatically. You may see a progress indicator or brief loading message. Larger files may take a bit longer, so give it a moment to complete. Keep your browser tab open while it uploads. When it finishes, your PDF will appear in DocHub, ready for you to view and work with. If drag and drop doesn't respond the first time, try refreshing the page and repeating the drag. Ensuring the file is truly a PDF and that your internet connection is steady usually solves most hiccups. That's all there is to it. Go to DocHub.com, log in, drag your PDF from your computer, and drop it anywhere on the DocHub dashboard. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined PDF uploads.